friend, I'm here again with another tutorial, and this tutorial must be fun because here I'm using some unusual things to making a latkan. And also I'm going to share some hacks and tricks which is very useful for everyone. So please watch the video till end. और ये वीडियो हिंदी में भी अवेलेबल है. Now you can see here, this is actually kids toys. Now if I blow the air through this straw, this ball is coming up. You can see here. Actually every part of the toys is useful. If you have watched my previous video, you must have seen that I have used these straws to making the hands of my doll. Now let's get into the project. I'm taking here this golden fabric which you can use both of the side and pass this wear through the ball and also fabric. I need a golden lace. Insert this wear also through these laces and bend this wear opposite direction so it could be more secure, so the dory will not come out. Secure this fabric using thread and needle so they don't get displaced. Here I am using these golden laces to hide this uneven fabric and also using this needle and thread to make it secure and even. Here I am taking this stone line to decorate. Again secure this stone line using thread and needle. Here I am taking this sequence and this stone to decorate my latkan. After finishing all this, now it is really looking so pretty. For second latkan, I need this small container. Here again, I must say this cork of the container also very useful. But for this today's project, I am taking only this cone shaped plastic from this container. Make a hole. Here I am taking again the sequence and the stones. Now similar way, just stick all these stones and sequence. Here I am using some earring materials to making my latkan. Now I'm making a tassel using this paper according my latkan. Cut out the extra yarn. Put some of glue inside this cone and stick this tassel like this. Let it dry for some time. And now it's turned into a beautiful latkan. But I have to mention here that you can't dip this latkan into the water because it may come out. So what to do, I will tell you. Here I am using a tricks or hacks, whatever you can say. See friend, I have tied this lace this way and secure it using this safety pin so it will not get displaced. And also you do not need to sew these laces permanently on your blouse. Now what is the benefit of this? You can use this one latkan with different kind of outfits. You can see here using this one latkan the complete looks of this blouse has changed. But if you don't want to use, then it will become simple. So whenever you need gorgeous blouse to wear in function, just use this latkan. And when you do not need this, take out the latkan. And this way you can make different look. I hope after watching this video, definitely you will try this with your blouse. And also let me know that which latkan you like the most. Friend, I hope you like this video. If it is, please like, share and subscribe my channel because it gives me motivation to make such a video. And I'll be very soon in the another video. Till then, take care and bye bye.